Hey guys, I'm Ankita and welcome back to my channel, and if you guys new here then welcome to my channel. So guys, as you know that Pilgrim have launched their new makeup line and they have sent me some of their products to try them out. But guys, already I have tried their lipstick and the lipstick video is live on my channel, and if you want to watch that video you can click here. And first of all guys, very sorry because today I'm not feeling well and maybe there is a little bit light issue because of the cloudy weather. Although I'm using my ring light, but still I think there is a little bit light issue, but what to do, sorry for that. Now let's see what I have today. So I have this Pilgrim Illuminating Moisturizer. It gives you instant rosy glow, and their metallic eyeliner, this is the shade green, and their liquid lipstick, this is the Pilgrim Matte Me Up liquid lipstick. And guys, I have received two shades, but I think I already have these two shades. But anyway, I have received these two shades, and in today's video I'm going to show you all the products. So yeah, let's start the video. But if you are watching me for the first time, then make sure to click that subscribe button and hit that all notification bell so that you can get notified all the time whenever I upload a new video. Now without further ado, let's get started. So guys, the first product I have this Pilgrim Illuminating Moisturizer, and it gives you instant rosy glow. It has Australian Kakadu plum extract on it, which is a very good source of vitamin C, and also it has SPF 15. That means it protects your skin from UV rays as well, and you can directly apply it on your face and neck just to get that instant rosy glow. Also you can mix it with your foundation to get that subtle glowy finish, and you can directly apply it as your highlighter on your cheek and collarbone. Now let me show you the product. Ooh. That is how it is light, very light peachy pink in color. So now I hope you can see the color. It is a very light peachy pink in color. And guys, this is the difference. I don't know how much camera can capture, but I can see a very light pinkish glow here. Now let me apply it as my highlighter. Wow, can you see the glow? Nice. And guys, this is the close-up. You know, it gives very subtle glow. It looks very natural, very beautiful. I don't know how much camera can capture, but it looks very beautiful, guys. As you can see in this side, just my blush on, and there's no highlighter, and it is with highlighter. And now with highlighter, this side also looks beautiful. So guys, I really like this illuminating moisturizer. It gives a very natural subtle glow, and you can use it as your regular glow cream, and you can mix it with your foundation for your makeup and also as your highlighter. So guys, I really like this cream, and nowadays this kind of illuminating moisturizer is very much popular on the market. Plus it has SPF 15, and guys it only retails for 445. So I think ये ना बहुत अच्छे स्ट्रोक क्रीम को भी टक्कर दे सकता है. Now let's move on to the next product, and the next product is their Pilgrim Oh the Drama Metallic Eyeliner. And guys, I have received the shade green, and that is how the packaging looks like. So the eyeliner comes in this kind of see-through packaging with a brush tip applicator, and that is how the applicator looks like. So guys, I have received the shade green, which is a very rich, vibrant, metallic green color, and that is how it looks on me. And guys, company says that this is all day smudge proof, easy glide, water resistant and fragrance free product. Well guys, this is a fragrance free product and it glides also very smoothly. The applicator, that brush tip applicator, helped to draw a straight line. Now let's check, is it smudge proof or not. So guys, as you can see that it is a smudge proof, and guys, as they says, it is water resistant but not waterproof. So guys, overall I like this eyeliner. Maybe this is not waterproof, and they don't even claim that this is water resistant, and actually what is it. And guys, overall I like the finish, I like the color payoff, I like that kind of glittery effect. And only thing is that in this range they have only 4 shades, like that basic black, blue, this green one, and another bronze kind of shade. As a consumer, I want some more shades Pilgrim in this range because the finish is really beautiful, and I like everything about this liner. And guys, it retails for 445 rupees, and here you're gonna get 3.5 ml of product. So yeah, this is it about this liner. So now let's talk a little bit about these lipsticks. So these are their Pilgrim Matte Me Up lipsticks. For more details, you can check my details lipstick video. And here I have received 2 shades, 02 Berry Teaser and 10 Blushing Nude. And let me show you the shades first. So guys, these are the 2 shades I have received from the brand. Actually it looks a little different now on the camera, maybe because of the light, but anyway, in short, these are their liquid matte lipstick. It glides very smoothly on the lips, it is very comfortable, and it stays for long. And guys, this is you know, that completely transfer proof lipstick. And for more details, you can watch my previous details lipstick video. And now overall I like all the products they have sent me, and definitely I would like to recommend these products to you guys, so try them. And I would say guys, Pilgrim did a great job. And yes, this is it about this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you guys new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and guys follow me on Insta. I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, tata, bye.